In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble your chair. Clear a space on the floor, unpack the box, lay out all the parts neatly and move the box out of your way. First of all, place the gas stem into the underside of the seat. Then put the base onto the gas stem. Next, flip the chair so it's the right way round. Then put the backrest into the slot on the seat pan. And lastly, pop the neckrest onto the top of the backrest. Your chair is now fully assembled and ready to be used. Watch our next video to learn how to set up your chair.